Hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like and subscribe and comment down below. The palette I'll be using is from Pretty Vulgar and it's the Nightingale. For transition, I'll be using Hide and Seek. Brush I am using is from Alamat Cosmetics and it's a trio set brush. The shade I'll be using is called Swap. Now I'll be using the shade Flip Out. Now I'll be applying it in the outer corner. Next shade I'll be applying is called After Midnight and I'll be applying it in the outer corner as well. Cut my crease, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. The shade I'll be using is called Break Free. For liquid liner, I'll be using the Butter London. Glitter, I'll be using the Jcat Papaya Whip. To make my eyeliner more matte, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar gel liner. For mascara, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. Primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. The foundation I'll be using is from Maybelline New York. It's the Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Classic Ivory. Brush I'll be using is from Luxie and it's the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. bronzer, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm using a contour brush. Blush I'll be using is from Laura Geller, and it's the Baked Blush. For powder, I'll be using the Airspun in Naturally Natural. Now going back with the Hide and Seek, I'll be applying it under the lash line. I'm using an Alamar Cosmetics brush. Highlight the brow bone, I'll be using the shade Break Free. We'll be also applying it in the inner corner. Highlight, I'll be using the Pure Sculpture palette, and I'll be using the shade Trailblazer. Lips, I'll be using the Hank and Henry Petal Pusher. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and comment down below of what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.